Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon, the Satluj controversy is only getting bigger. Questions over creative freedom, censorship, and the cuts suggested to the series continue to spark a nationwide debate. Joining us now is veteran actor Kamaljeet Singh, who plays DGP Bitta in Satluj. Thank you, sir, very much for your time here on Times Now. Sir, you are playing a character that is widely believed to be modeled after KPS Gill. We'll come to that in just a bit, but first I want to ask you how you see the banning of the film in India. What is your view on that?
Banning is always against the freedom of speech. And we're not misusing it. We're just talking history. People don't know of it. It was hidden fact, and we are just exposing it. And it's not a kind of a expose thing, but just telling of a historical chapter which was missed. That's about all. And you talk about freedom of speech, you're strangling it.
Kamaljeet ji, who do you think is strangling this freedom of speech? Because agar aap Z5 ka statement dekhen, the Z5 statement is very cryptic. They don't tell us who asked them to pull down the film, right? Now, the government is silent, the censor board is silent as well. But government sources are speaking, and they are saying that, look, the fact is that this film may just fan pro-Khalistani sentiments in Punjab ahead of an election. Do you believe this film is sympathetic to the Khalistanis, which is why the government thinks it could be a national security issue?
It's not sympathetic to anybody. It is just stating the facts. And secondly, I said it happened in 95. See, it was called Punjab 95 earlier. So uske baad jab there's a lot of water flown under the bridge. Abhi log are not reactive, not violently reactive. They'll just know of history. अब आप मुझे कहें Spielberg ने Schindler's List बनाई तो Jews and Germans will there'll be a backlash again. ऐसा तो नहीं होता. बाद में जब time heals a lot of wounds, and now we are just looking at it very objectively.
Sir, जो एक criticism आ रहा है, खैर वो criticism से पहले मैं I just want to ask you what the makers of the film have told you. Have they explained to you why the film has been taken down? Have they spoken to you at all? What is Haneet Rehan, the director of the film, for example, saying?
देखो मुझे तो ये अफसोस है, वो एक दुख है कि this has become, अगर ये नहीं होता तो the people who didn't want to see it would not have seen it. अब now everybody is curious to know what's there in the film. तो अब ज़्यादा देखी जा रही है वो. That's a good point. The bad point is it's not the economy is not running in this direction of where it is supposed to go. है ना, और illegally देखा जा रहा है. तो गवर्नमेंट शुड रियलाइज. और बल्कि आई एम टोल्ड दैट इसकी वायरल हो गई है, और वायरल हो ही गई है, तो उसको अब राइट प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जाए जिसमें थी, सो दैट एवरीबॉडी इज बेनिफिटेड कंसर्निंग द फिल्म.
कमलजीत जी, आपको लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट का जो रिएक्शन है ओटीटी था, ओवर द टॉप था, कि बैन ही कर दीजिए फिल्म?
ओटीटी, एक तो मुझे ये ओटीटी आज तक समझ नहीं आया क्या है क्या. बट यस, किसका रिएक्शन है ये भी नहीं मुझे मालूम, ये किसने किया ये भी नहीं मुझे मालूम, ना मुझे बताया गया है. आई वाज शूटिंग इन पटियाला फॉर सीरीज फॉर नेटफ्लिक्स, वो भुवन बॉम के लिए. एंड सडनली आई गेट अ मैसेज दैट इट्स ऑन Z5. हमको पहले बताया भी नहीं गया कि भाई या उसकी पब्लिसिटी होती या कुछ होता, कुछ उसके बारे में बात होती तो हमको पता चलता कि आने वाली है. आफ्टर ऑल वी बीन वेटिंग फॉर 2.5-3 years और मे बी मोर. और उसके बाद एकदम आई और एकदम दबा दी गई, और इतने उस पर अड़चने आई, और फिर वो सॉर्ट आउट हुई, एंड इवेंचुअली जब आई तो अब हटाने की क्या जरूरत थी मुझे समझ नहीं आती. या तो इनको पहले स्क्रिप्ट दे दी जाए और वो अप्रूव करें. मैं तो कहता हूँ अप्रूव करने के बाद भी हटा दी जाती हैं चीजें. वो भी ऐसा भी हुआ है.
कंवल जी
So
जी,
I really don't know what the policy is.
दिलजीत जो है वो काफी उन्होंने फेसबुक लाइव्स किए हैं, आपने भी देखे होंगे फिल्म की बैनिंग को लेके, और वो एक चीज कह रहे हैं कि मुझे तो पता था ये होने वाला है, मुझे पता था ये होने वाला है, और जिस तरह से 1996 में आवाज दबाई गई उसी तरह 2026 में भी आवाज दबाई जा रही है. सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू कवलजीत जी, व्हेन यू वर शूटिंग फॉर दिस फिल्म, राइट, यू न्यू दैट द सब्जेक्ट इज कंट्रोवर्शियल. इंसर्जेंसी जो है कंट्रोवर्शियल सब्जेक्ट होता है बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, राइट? Did you know back then that the film would be controversial?
See, my approach to any role of film is just that role regarding the film. इसका असर क्या होगा वो मैं कभी देखा ही नहीं मैंने. मुझे मिसेस का असर नहीं मालूम था क्या होगा. I did it and I don't belong to a patriarchal family at all. तो ये तो मैं करता हूँ because these are different roles and they interest me. Only because of that I do it. समझे ना?
तो मैं आपसे फिर पूछना चाहती हूँ कि क्या हनी त्रिहान से आपकी बात हुई, द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म? व्हाट इज ही सेइंग ही विल डू? बिकॉज यू नो फिल्म जो है बड़ी मेहनत से बनती है और बहुत पैसे से बनती है, राइट? इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट एंड रिसोर्सेज दैट आर स्पेंट. आर दे ओके?
I'm glad you're saying that.
Yes. Are you okay with, is he okay with the status of things right now where people are watching the film
Not
without
at all.
paying
Why
for it?
should anybody be okay with the status of you talk about freedom of speech. I spoke with him the next day. Actually, I just called him because मैं पटियाला में था और यहाँ पे आया तो I called him. He said picture उतर गई है. अरे I was shocked. He said don't worry, we are going back to the court. So they are going to try and put it back there
So
on the platform.
Kawaljeet ji, you're telling me, and this is something that is not in public domain, so thank you for sharing it with us. You're telling me that the makers of the film, the director of the film, is planning to approach the court. But the fact is, Mr. Singh, कि ये मामला कोर्ट में पहले जा चुका है, right? It was in the Bombay High Court when 127 cuts जो सेंसर बोर्ड ने बोले थे.
बहुत कुछ हो चुका है, पर इन्होंने अलाउ भी तो किया. It was allowable. It was allowed. After neglecting all the cuts, they didn't have any cuts. तो वो जब वो हो सकता तो ये क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
अच्छा, मैं क्रिटिसिज्म पे आती हूँ. जो क्रिटिसिज्म है इस फिल्म को लेके और जो गवर्नमेंट सोर्सेज हैं वो बोल रहे हैं नेशनल सिक्योरिटी, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी हैम्पर होगी, वो साइड कर रहे हैं. एंड वन ऑफ द सीन्स दैट इज बीइंग that is being highlighted is this. There is a particular scene where the then Chief Minister of Punjab, Beyant Singh, is being assassinated, and that scene has been glorified. Essentially, the charge against the film is that it is glorifying terrorism, it is glorifying the Khalistani movement, something that we don't need in this country right now.
देखिए, I don't know what the truth is because I have never lived in that state. After a certain movement by the government, I just didn't know what was happening there. This was hidden, of course, the fact. तो मुझे कुछ ज्यादा मालूम नहीं है इसके बारे में, और जो हाईलाइट किया गया है मुझे लोग कह रहे हैं ये कम है. Much worse things happened then. So I don't know that if you speak with Hani, my director, he'll be able to tell you more than, humble me.
I hope you can convince him to speak to us, because here on Times Now, we very clearly believe that film कैसी भी हो, किस भी ideology की हो, कोई भी कहानी कहती हो, it should not be banned. There is something called creative freedom,
Absolutely
and everyone
not.
in this country deserves creative freedom.
Absolutely not. Yes.
So, Kawaljeet ji, can I just then come to your character, because that is one character that has also divided people. And the debate is कि ये देखिए, they have absolutely, Kawaljeet Singh his character is modeled after the then DGP of Punjab, KPS Singh Gill, and the film completely portrays him as a villain. Jabki if he was not there, we probably would still be dealing with insurgency in Punjab. That the film is very one-sided, बड़ी lopsided है. ये एक criticism आया है film के लिए.
Yeah, you दलदल में ले जा रही हो मुझको.
नहीं, मैं तो सवाल पूछ रही हूँ, मैं तो पत्रकार हूँ, सवाल पूछने का काम है मेरा। आप बताइए, जवाब दीजिए आप।
मैं जवाब क्या दूं? मैंने तो वो किया है जो स्क्रिप्ट में था. आई कुडंट हैव डन एनीथिंग ऑन माय ओन. And I liked the script. I liked the way he narrated it to me at that point in time, and I wanted to do it seriously. And who's it based on is for people to judge. Because he was a DJP and everybody had that particular person in mind, I read and I saw everything that was concerning him, and I really studied him thoroughly. And I also have a DGP, retired DGP friend of mine, my childhood buddy. I spoke with him. I spoke with anybody who was, connected with these this era. तो उससे मैंने वो किया स्कल्प्ट द कैरेक्टर. उसके बियॉन्ड मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, और ना मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, ना मुझे मालूम है.
नहीं, आपको लगा कि जो पोर्ट्रेयल है कंप्लीटली विलेनाइज कर दिया था केपीएस गिल को? क्योंकि आपने तो खैर वो पोर्ट्रे किया है, राइट, कैरेक्टर ऑन स्क्रीन.
मैं तो आई हैव टू एम्पैथाइज विद व्हाटएवर आई डू. ये तो तय है. As an actor, I have to empathize, and I don't judge because I haven't seen the film. I haven't seen it objectively, also, and it's been also 4 or 3.5 years ago this happened. So I have very vague memory of it.
Kamaljeet ji, I just want you to speak about, your first reaction to what happened to the film. Number one, number two, whether you spoke to Diljit and what he is saying. And what you now hope for this film?
I haven't spoken to Diljit. He is a fine young man, very passionate, and would absolutely try all his within his power to have it back on the platform. And my director also, and Ronnie Screwwala will also be there to support them, obviously, and he spent money and he's the producer of the film. तो ये तो करेंगे ही करेंगे, ऐसे कौन जाने देगा. और इतने साल के बाद when you succeeded to have it on an OTT platform और फिर निकाल दी गई, तो it's love's labor lost. तो वो कैसे उसको रायगा जाने देंगे, है ना.
वो बिल्कुल आप सही बात कह रहे हैं. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप एक और फिल्म का हिस्सा थे 1996 में, माचिस का हिस्सा थे, where you again played a cop. You remember it was on the insurgency. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि a lot of people watching this broadcast probably don't remember, because I myself don't remember. I was probably too young to register it.
You were a toddler.
But when that film was made, again on the insurgency in Punjab, was there this kind of controversy? And why do you think this controversy has arisen now? अगर 1996 में controversy नहीं थी, when it was so close to the insurgency, तो अब 40 साल बाद controversy क्यों हो रही है? According
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. That's why I give example of this Holocaust or whatever it is. And up to the time has healed things, and people are able to judge things in its real perspective, in objectivity. तो अब देख रहे हैं, उस वक्त भी रिएक्शन था, पर इतना रिएक्शन नहीं था. ये दिस इज आई थिंक to do with some political thing, which I can't finger point or I know.
Just good to go back. मैंने आपसे आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में बात की, that it was modeled after KPS Singh Gill इस वाली फिल्म के लिए. I also want to go to the main protagonist of the film. The main protagonist of the film is Jaswant Singh Kalra, right? Now, and the film is based on him. So obviously the film will be sympathetic on him. One understands that, because everyone has a point of view, right? Someone will have a point of view that KPS Gill was a hero. Someone will say he is a villain. Someone will say that Mr. Kalra was a human rights activist. But then there are others today who are saying he is someone who had pro-Khalistani tendencies. For example, he called Bhindrewala a sant and a national hero. So, अगर एक फिल्म इतना strident वन-साइडेड स्टैंड ले लेती है, तो क्या उसका कंट्रोवर्सी में जाना ऑब्वियस है? फॉर एग्जांपल मिस्टर खालरा,
each one of us every historian who's written history has had his own point of view there. ऐसा तो होता नहीं कोई इतनी objectively देखे, because no matter what, you take sides, and it's probably also happened to you, to your family. So there your the passions come in. So maybe with the writer of the film or the, makers of the film, they have seen these things, and that is how they see the film. They couldn't have seen it otherwise. Let there be another filmmaker who will make it. And if there can be Kashmir files and Kerala files and all these things, why can't there be a Punjab file?
Okay. Kamaljeet ji, thank you very much for being with us. Can I ask you in finality what your hope for this film है? आपको अभी भी उम्मीद है कि जिस तरह की कंट्रोवर्सी है, जिस तरह फिल्म को पुल डाउन किया गया है विदाउट इवन टेलिंग अस कि फिल्म को क्यों पुल डाउन किया गया है, आपको थोड़ी सी भी उम्मीद है दैट इट विल बी बैक ऑन ओटीटी?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है आ जाएगी, क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल जो वो चाह रहे हैं कि ना हो, वो तो हो ही रहा है. पीपल आर वॉचिंग इट, डाउनलोडिंग इट illegally. तो जब वो हो ही रहा है, पीपल आर वॉचिंग इट, एंड इफ दे हैव टू हैव एनी रिएक्शन, अभी रिएक्शन आ जाता नहीं. पीपल आर जस्ट इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड. इतनी देर के बाद you don't have any, wounds are healed with time. And हाँ, तो वो हो चुका है. अभी people just want to see. अब कश्मीर में ये फिल्म बनी, कश्मीर फाइल, उसका क्या रिएक्शन था? तो ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं था, किसी ने उतारी नहीं. तो ये
आपको लग रहा है पॉलिटिक्स हुई है इसके ऊपर? More than anything else, national security concerns छोड़िए, ये political concerns है because of which the film has been pulled down.
हाँ, मुझे पर्सनली ये लगता है, किसी को कुछ और लगेगा, लेकिन क्या एक्चुअली हुआ है ये तो हम में से कोई नहीं जानता.
चलिए, कमलजीत सिंह जी, हम लोगों को भी नहीं पता एक्चुअली असली में क्या हुआ.
आपको नहीं पता था, how would I know?
No, officially, because officially no one is saying anything. The government is speaking via sources. The censor board is saying nothing.
Nobody's saying anything because nobody knows.
And Z5 has also not told us, by the way, who told them to pull down the film. Now, it obviously is the government, but Z5 has to come out and say that. We'll leave it there, Kamaljeet Singh ji, for joining us. Thank you. Thank you very much for this candid interview. It was good to hear from you. Thank you very much. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, a quick break. News and updates continue. Do stay with us.